Yo, 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 what is going on, everyone? Good freaking morning. Oops, mute that right quick, just like that. So, how's everyone doing today? Today's a wonderful, wonderful, beautiful day again. The sun's shining. It's not that cold. My window's open. My room's refreshing. My office is refreshing. Feeling good. Looking good. We're about to play these markets real good. So, positive vibes only today. Let's get it in, man. Thank you guys for tuning in. And then, Drift Dean, what's going on, bro? Welcome. Zainab, good morning. Welcome back. How are you doing? Mohammed, welcome, bro. I remember your message from yesterday. Yo, what's up, Eddie XMG? Good morning, brother. How you doing? Malamuli, Mazamo. Morning, morning. How you doing, bro? How's everyone doing, man? Nav man, welcome back, bro. Good seeing you every day, man. Took a very silly trade today. Done for the day. Discipline. Discipline. If you're not focused up here, you realize your mistake. That's it, bro. Just kick back, watch the stream, or even if this is too much for you, exit the stream, get off the charts. You know what I mean? Just like it first. Yo, what's going on, Jay Martins? Welcome, bro. Very good morning to you, bro, and a good afternoon for me. Good afternoon to you, NSK. Abdul Manan, morning, brother. How you doing? V Quayla, only gold, only gold. I look at other pairs though, just for the people that need help on them. But I only trade gold. Yes. DeAndre Scott, what's going on, guy? How you doing, bro? Good morning, or I don't know where you're at, but good morning. Problematic, my guy. Welcome back, brother. How you doing? Good morning, Mahik. Welcome. Good, good, bro. Hope you well too. Yes, sir, Drifting, man. The sun's shining again. You know, had a beautiful 170 pip trade here on gold yesterday evening. You know, everything's going well, man. Slaughtered the markets this week, honestly. You making money today? We are looking to make money today, yes. But we are also being very patient, bro. Being very patient. Because today is going to be a tricky one. Mahik, good morning, bro. Good morning. Steady's new here. Welcome. How you doing? I'm glad that you popped in here. Mohammed, thank you for remembering me. You're welcome, bro. No worries. Esther, good morning, Esther. How are you doing? What's up, bro? Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Sylvester. How you doing? So, I'm gonna take a swig of this coffee. Okay. And we're gonna start with What's up, gang? We back. Sorry I missed yesterday. Brody was hella tired. Man, don't worry about it. Do not worry about it. You're here today. That's what matters, right? So let's get rid of all the noise on my chart, and let's mark everything up from scratch, right? Only thing I'm not marking up from scratch is my weekly and monthly zones, right? So let's have a look here. That gap was nasty. This one right here, that was nasty. Remember that? Okay. Oh wait. All right. So now let's look at the daily, or let's look at the weekly first. Okay, the weekly looks like we're rejecting, right? Now let's look at the daily. Do I have everything marked up on the weekly? Could use this resistance, but I'm not. But I do want to. Yeah, that's where it kind of bounced off. Okay. Now looking at the daily. And I know a lot of people need help with this. It's like finding your bias every day, right? So, starting here on the 1st of March, which was Monday, that daily candle was absolutely strong. Yesterday's candle was a bit bearish, but it rejected. Now, there's two options here to this rejection candle. And we're going to find out at one specific area what it wants to do. I'm going to mark that off right now. Very simple. Very, very simple. Just like that. Settings, template, daily floor. If I keep muting my mic, it's because I have some slime stuck in my throat. All right. Oh no, wait, that's daily resistance, not daily floor. Sorry. Daily resistance. Right. And then we also have a daily resistance in here, just like that. This whole area is a resistance area, right? Settings, let's mark that off just for the visual purposes. Let's make sure that's nice and tight on the bodies. It is 4-hour time frames. Now, this is when it kind of gets tricky, okay? We have resistance right here. Resistance right here. Support / resistance right here. And then a resistance that it's rejecting right now, right here, right? I kind of don't want to mark off this resistance, but let's make it very small, right? So now, looking back at it, what's the range that we're playing in, right? You should already be thinking, what's the range that we're playing in right now? The range that we're playing in is shit. It's garbage. It's this range. Now, it's 121 pip range, but we would want to kind of break out. We're just stuck in this range right now, right? Price came down, created support, created resistance. Now we're going to either bounce up or bounce down, either or, right? I'm still in buys with runners from last night. The runners, right? But we're just all going to have to see how today's daily candle plays out to actually know what it wants to do for probably next week. Let's see here, the Forex Factory. So today might be a sit on your butt day and not do anything day, maybe, right? Fed chair or Fed Powell testifies, and then you have PMI. On the PMI, they're also calling positive numbers, which means a negative USD, right? But you gotta wait for the actual to come out. If the actual is negative, gold goes up. If the actual is positive, gold goes down. But we also have this war going on in the markets, so we have to be very careful. Okay, so now, what I would like to see, right? I would want to see price come down here, right? Because we're still obviously very bullish, right? Only thing that it is, right, we didn't create a higher high, right? Look at that. Let's pull out our polyline. Let's go to the 4-hour. Boom, 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 boom. Right? We did break the previous higher low. We did break. We created support. We respected it. Right? So let's see if price comes back down one more time into this red zone area right here. Let's see if price rejects that area again. Shows us price action candlestick patterns that it wants to reject from that area. To then potentially continue higher. Right? Or another option. Say that we can't hold that area, right? Price ends up breaking that area. This whole zone right here, right? You could probably look for a buy-in, right? Probably, potentially. I always say potentially because why? You always have to look for price action at your area, right? So first step is looking for buys here, right? See if we could target the top of the range. Because what if this starts ranging? What if this starts ranging here, right? What if we come in, boom, we start ranging, boom, right? And we buy it here and we see what it does here, right? And we sell it here and see what it does here till it breaks. Dangerous, but it can happen. So I want it to come down here to this level 1916.56 area. See what it does. If it does, or if it does what I like it, if it does what I like, then I will act on it. I feel like right now it's not the moment to act on it. We're literally in the middle of the range. We rejected resistance, but we're close to support, right? So with that being said, let's pull out the Fibonacci. Fibonacci is currently floating into the 61 and the 76. Right. So just be patient, man. It's a patient day today. It's a very, 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 very patient day today. Right. Looking at the daily, I think the daily might come down here, close doji, might range all day for the next daily to continue up. But it'll be dope if we come up here. If we reject down here, we go up here, and then we see that we can't break this high to continue up here, then most definitely we'll take a short. Right? But what it's doing right now, it's making another range. You would always want to look for buys, 100% at this area. Right? So another thing, what I see right here on it's the 1 hour, you have also these equal lows right down in here. All these are equal lows. See if we can spike down there, get some liquidity, right? And then one more thing that I do want to do, I want to mark off the Asian highs real fast as well and the Asian lows. So let's go here. Okay, it looks like the Asian highs and the Asian lows already got rated, dude. Yeah, they already got rated. Asian highs got rated. And these are the Asian lows. They already got rated. Well, call this the Asian low right here. Asian lows right here. So yeah, let's see what it wants to do in that area. Let's see if it wants to come back to this 4 hour / hour support to continue higher. Okay. Oh my goodness gracious. Yo, good morning, Bite Night. How you doing, man? Let me enter someone. Zoom. Yo, good morning, good morning. Yo. Okay. Alright. What's your internet? Yo, what's going on? How are you doing, bro? You just started Forex. Oh. Oh, okay. Alright. That's what's up, bro. For my for myself. I work for myself now. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. The trading's good, man. It's good. It's very good. Thanks. It's, it looks like it's calming down a little bit, yeah. But you still have to keep that in mind. You still have to keep the bullish aspect in mind for if price, or if something happens that's very crucial, right? Then it will most definitely, yeah. Just let it dip low enough though. Don't buy because you just let it dip first. Let it pull back. Let it rest. Let it think that people are selling, and then when people think it's selling, it's gonna be over, and it's gonna, yeah, exactly. If you're selling, you should be looking at monthly resistances to sell. Yes, you shouldn't look to sell at like 4 hour zones now, weekly and up, daily and up right now because it's dangerous, man. It's very dangerous. So what I marked here, yeah, I have the daily right here. This is obvious daily resistance, obvious daily support, obvious daily resistance. I don't go, to 1970 to mark off my zones. I just go to the recent areas. That's it. Because you're always gonna get reactions at the recent support and resistance. Always, always, every time. 100%. Let me get to these YouTube questions, bro, real quick. Yes. All right, thank you. Yo, what's up, Pakistani girl trader? How you doing? Good morning. Um, what is your connection speed? I have no idea, bro. I have an app for that shit. If you really want to know, I can run a speed test right here. Let's see what my connection speed is. Alright, finally joined today. I hope so I did not miss anything. Nah, we just started. In 1944, Germany was losing World War II and was depressed for money. Nazi Party officials secretly visited Switzerland bankers and offered to trade an entire division of panzers in exchange for precious metal. That's actually a crazy. Is that a fact or or what is that? You know what I mean? Um, is looking for equal lows and equal highs something you normally do? Yes. Yes, I do because um they always get rated. There's my internet speed, sir. And I'm also live, so it's normally at 40 and at like 400. But that's my internet speed. Since you asked, I'm like, right? Yeah, and equal lows and equal highs, bro. What it basically is let's look for an example. Like right here we have equal highs. Oh, are you placing a trade, bro? Anyway, equal highs and equal lows, they always get rated. What I mean by that is you'll see an aggressive push down like right here, right? See that? You see all these equal lows right here? It's all equal, right? And then you have this monster right here that stops everyone out before making its move. That's why people target equal highs and equal lows for TPs, or people look for buys at this spike, right? A lot of smart people know that there's a liquidity grab right here and they're going to try and buy that spike, right? Stupid people will sell here, smart people will buy here, right? One happened, I think, yesterday, blew a lot of people's account right here. Let me make that just that color, you know. That one happened yesterday, right? So you see how we had these equal lows, right? People thought it was gonna buy because it was just messing, and then this candle literally in like 1 minute dropped 170 pips. Literally, bro. Literally. You couldn't react there, you would have lost all your money. That's why people target equal highs and equal lows. That's why I target equal highs and equal lows, right? Now I'm targeting this area. Why? Because it's an equal high. It's double top, right? That's why equal tests and equal highs and equal lows are important. Hi, just got here. How's everything going? Arcats, how you doing, brother? Welcome. VQuail, how big account have to be to trade gold? It depends on your broker and your leverage. I mean, you can trade gold with any type of account balance, I believe, no? Just know that your stop losses are very big, so your stop loss should be a little bigger now, especially with this war going on. So your lot size should be smaller, right? Walla, do you know how to use Fibo? I'm stuck here. Can you use it on the 30-minute for me, please? On the 30-minute, I wouldn't use a fib on the 30-minute, only if you know what you're doing. Because right now, the only clear fib I see on the 30-minute, there is none. Because the last fib on the 30-minute would be from this area here to this area here. That was the last fib. Well, not the last one. We'll go over it, right? Boom. Came right back down to the 61.8. Right? Right at the resistance area to then continue higher. That's 30-minute. Now let's go to the next leg. And then in the next leg, this is the next leg, start to finish. Right? Next leg, start to finish. Came back down to the 50%. And then went to the equal highs. And then it took a dump. Right? Now, because why do you always need to, there hasn't been any recent breaker structure to draw the fib, right? I'm not going to do this. That's a bad fib. That doesn't make any sense, right? Better off doing this from here to here, but this push didn't break structure except for here. But I wouldn't count this as a break structure. You know what I mean? So right now you need to wait for something to break to then draw the fib for the retest. Now, example, we have support that broke right in this area, right? On the 30-minute, keep in mind, 30-minute. Price broke this structure right here, this green zone, right? Price broke, popped back up, straight into the 76 in the middle of it. Boom, lower time frame entry, because higher time frame entry, you wouldn't have made it, right? Your risk reward would be messed up. Now, price came back, right? You could use this fib. Let me get rid of that real quick to make it more readable. I said that right. Now, right, this leg broke structure. Now, this is the retracement. This leg broke structure, not by a lot. Rejected support. So I wouldn't even advise you to add a fib here as well. Right now on the fib, the only fib that you could draw is potentially the daily fib, right? From this leg, because the lower time frame fibs don't look good right now, right? So this is a daily fib, right? So you have it from the start of the push to the end of the push. We did break structure in this push. It's just on the daily. It's gonna take a while, right? Right, boom, right in this area, right in this green zone. You go to the 4-hour. What do you see in this green area, right? Now, mind you, this is daily fib. What do you see in this green area of confluence, of interest, right? And even this area, right? You just do this, visually prepare yourself. Let's just make that a different color, right? What do you see in this area, in these two areas, that you could potentially take a buy off of for the next leg up? Well, in the green zone, which is the 50 to the 61, you have a support zone right here, which I already looked at, or you have a resistance turn support. Now, if this resistance or if this support holds, perfect. We can look for buys up. But the way this 4-hour candle's closing, I don't think it's going to hold. I think we're going to drive down into this area right here, 1902 area, have a nice spike down, and then we're gonna ride the wave to the upside again. You know what I mean? That's how you use the fib. Can I check Telegram? Yeah, I will. Keeps popping up. I really have to turn that off. It keeps popping up. I don't know how though. I'll fix it. Right? That's how you use the fib. The lower time frame fibs are played out. They're done. Right? Because you can't draw one. You can't draw one. You can draw it on the 4-hour, which is from right here to right here. It came down into the 61.76 area ish, pushed up, right? But it can't break its own high. Now, it depends on all what this candle's gonna do. I'm just gonna let this breathe for a bit, because gold right now, it's in a messed up situation. Just let it breathe, collect more data, honestly. And plus, I'm still in buys, so I'm actually chilling. Oh, this dude gotta go, bro. Do you trade US 30? No, sir, never have. Yeah, Mahik, I'm speed testing because Muhammad asked me what my internet speed was. So I did speed test for him. Pretty solid internet. You know, I pay a fucking bunch for it. It could be better, but hey. No, I don't want to group mute because then I don't hear anything, or I don't know when someone's talking, you know what I mean? I like to check in, talk a lot to the people on Telegram, because some of them really need help. I noticed that yesterday. Doing okay? Letting gold breathe today? 100%, brother. Yo, guys, push up them likes. Stefan, man, you should already know, bro. I'm not going to ask anyone to like the stream if they don't genuinely like it. If If you guys genuinely don't like the stream, don't like it. Fucking dislike it. You know what I mean? Yo, what's up, Mitch? Let me send you the link, man. Let me get you in here real quick with me. Notifications off. I'm back for your hairline. Dude, send me a picture on Telegram so I can flame you, boy. I'm tired of him. But I gotta come on the stream every day to get flamed up by you, and I can't respond. Come to the Telegram, bro. Come to the Telegram, bro. Okay, let me see. Um, Pakistani, I see what you mean. Um, I can't do it today. Tomorrow, or later on today, I'll help you. I'll send you a Zoom link. I'll help you. I'll give you my settings and I could show you a couple of fib settings, fib plays, so you understand the gist of it, right? Let me send a quick Zoom invite real quick. First time seeing a live. First time seeing a live. What time frames? What time frames do you usually use when looking at gold? Alright, Fahad Hassan, welcome. I use all of them, bro. So I go down from the monthly, then I go to the weekly, daily, 4 hour, sometimes the hour. Right? But you see here on the right side, you see my zones, daily resistance, daily floor, daily resistance, monthly resistance. I don't have the weekly resistance in there because it's in confluence with the monthly, right? Give me a second here. Let me fix this Zoom link. It's always a struggle to find people on Discord, man. It's insane. Oh my god, I just sent him that. Sorry, bro. Wrong link. Oh, it's right here in front of me, dude. What the fuck? There you go. Right? Why people gotta tell them? Wait, hold up. Let me go back. Group mute. First time seeing you. Aren't you part of that one trading lounge? I was chilling there until there was a bunch of stuff going on there that I didn't want to see myself around. He asked for the Telegram. Get your butt in here so I hope you have a profile picture. You better find the slick one because I'm about to fire you, boy. I'm about to get in your invite via link. Copy link. Okay. There you have my link, boy. Alright. Why people, what's your Telegram? I sent the pic on Telegram. I see. I'm gonna help you out with the I'm gonna send the Zoom link in here for the Telegram. And then you can answer the question on that Zoom link, okay? Can you check my chart real quick and give your take on it? Sure, bro. I'll do that 100%. For you, I will, bro. For other people, I won't. Just kidding. Let's have a look. What is this? What is this, bro? I mean, with all due respect, you have to show some. You have to show some explanation. What you're looking for. Something. The only thing that I see right now is a created support. Potential buys at this level. Doesn't make sense to me, bro. Try again, bro. Right. Doesn't make sense. The chart doesn't make sense. Tell me what you're looking for. Tell me why you're looking for that thing, that area. Now let's go over the trade I took yesterday. I'm actually still in it. I got in here, right, and I TP'd. Took a lot of profits off at this area right here, just like that. I'm still have a runner going. I want it to come at least to up here. You know what I mean? Oh my goodness, Andrew, boy. Oh boy, you better. What? Oh, you. Oh, I'm on your head, boy. You. No, I can't flame you. He about to be a dad. Let me not do that to that picture. Put a different picture on, bro. You about to be a dad. Congratulations, brother. I'm happy for you, man. I'm happy for you, bro. I can't flame that picture. That's a quality picture, man. That's a lot of respect, bro. I respect that. You know what I mean? I can't flame you on that picture. Post a profile picture. Post a selfie. Post a selfie, brother. Yeah, you're welcome, Paxton. You are welcome. So, now, let's pull up the Telegram real quick. Oh man, where is it now? Bye, Mitch. Where's my Telegram, dude? Pull up the Telegram. Beastie took it. And let's see. Did I not post it? Did I got in? Okay. Oh, I didn't post it, but entered at the break of the retest entered at the break of the previous 15-minute candle, right? But I took 2 trades actually. Okay, this is my first trade. This is my second trade, right? At the break of the 15-minute engulfing candle. So, let me do this. Nah, I don't want none of that thirst trap bullshit, bro. Keep it P, bro. I don't want none of that. I'll kick you out that motherfucker quick. Alright, anyway, so the trade or the entry that I had, right? First, we had this zone marked off yesterday, right? This zone right here. Or no, it was a 1 hour zone. It was a 1 hour zone. Yes, this is the zone. It was a 1 hour zone that we had marked off, just like that. Let's make that yellow. And for the people yesterday on stream, I broke this down, this whole candle, right? If you're on stream yesterday and we saw that fast pull down, I told everyone stay calm, be patient, let it breathe. It's gonna come back to that area for you to get in again for an entry, right? So time did, right? It took a while. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It took a while. It took about 6 hours to get down into that level, 7 hours, right? I was playing my video game, right? Because when price rejects like that and leaves a wick, it's always gonna come back and close that wick, not fully, but almost close that wick, right? So with the information knowing that, we were already looking at this area to buy. This was our first, signal. Okay, price is ready to buy. Then what did gold do? Gold created a doji candle on the 1 hour time frame, right? After rejecting it once, 2 times, 3 times with the doji candle. Now on the lower time frames, on the 15-minute, on the 5-minute, you had a bunch of confirmations to enter. You know what I mean? So On the 5-minute, there's not really a confirmation. Honestly, there's not. Unless you want to risk it for the biscuit and get an entry above here with your stops below here. But it's not smart, right? So what did I do, right? I waited for the 15-minute candle to engulf. It's the same thing I preach over and over and over again, and I honestly really act on it, you know? I didn't wait for it to close because I know it was at a very, the volume was okay. But I didn't wait for it to close, but I entered on the break of this candle, on the break of this previous 15-minute candle to continue higher, right? I did sit in the drawdown for about 15 minutes. I had about a 16 pip drawdown, and my stops were actually right here. It was a big stop loss. But now on gold, like I said, gold is very volatile. You know what I mean? Gold is very, very, very volatile right now, right? And what did we target? What did I target, right? What did I target? I targeted this area right here. Why did I target that area? Because that's the most recent resistance at this area, right? If you don't believe me, the proof is in the pudding. These people were looking for shorts. I don't know why. He got stopped out of his shorts. Amir, I told him not to do it. They did it anyway. See, they're shorting, whatever, right? My mans took the trade. And then I said something here. 130 pips. Called out. Broke it out. I'm collecting some profits here. That was at 9:10. And I told Darren collect profits. That was right here at this area. Right at the body, I collected profits. So, now I preach this shit for a fucking reason. These 15-minute engulfing candles, I preach them for a reason. You actually only want to go... Alright, come on, dude, Andrew. You actually only want to go for a 2-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio, which is actually here. On a 15-minute engulfing candle. Did you get it? Yes. Was your stop loss big? Yes. Is it normal right now on gold to have a big stop loss? Yes, because the 1 minute candles are pumping 30 pips. Alright, you guys are about to get put on mute, bro. I'm about to kick both of y'all out the group, bro. I don't feel like this childish stuff right now popping up. I'm about to have to mute the group because you guys are beautiful 4 hours. You guys are being like little girls. Talking about pardon me. Yeah. What are you guys, gay, bro? Post a chart in there. Oh, I forget. Can't. Come on, man. Focus up, man. That's why y'all losing money, because y'all fucking talking about bid. The fuck is a bid, even? Alright, anyway. That's the entry, right? You wait for the first signal. Gold, you will never miss the move on gold. You wait for the first signal, right? Then you wait for the second signal, right? At the second signal, when price came down back to that area, right? You need to look for some sort of confirmations. You have multiple right here. Multiple in this 15-minute time zone. 30-minute even engulfed for you to get in, right? The 1 hour even, at the open of the 1 hour, you could have had your stops below here. You know what I mean? Now I'm floating in profits, chilling, and that's it. If it stops me out at break even, let it do its thing. But I want to see if I can have my runner go up here 400 pips. You know what I mean? TP Golden buy Timmy. Oh, I can't even put your name on the Timmy list because you have all these weird things in it. But you're a Timmy now, Nguyen. My fault, fam. She ain't know what bitch mean. LOL. Wasn't even arguing. LOL, kick it. Krabby FX, meaning the minimum amount of money to trade on gold would be whatever the bid ask price is. Gold is 1928, so I need at least 1928. That's not true. Because I have an account. I have a $200 account on gold because I'm looking to buy a new PC. So that's my investment for my new PC. Is what my broker said. Okay. I'm with IC Markets. IC Markets. My broker doesn't go. Oh, okay. Yeah. Then you have a standard account. If you have a raw spread account, I think then you could potentially deposit less. I mean, I live in Europe, so my broker's IC Markets. You know what I mean? Yes, I'm in Europe, bro. I am in Europe. It's daylight, dude. The sun's shining, bro. The sun's shining. It's a lovely day today. That's why I got on earlier on stream because I'm about to call an early stream today. And go hang out with my wifey. Probably. She doesn't have a smart mouth. She has a smart mouth. I'm staying in the house, bro. Okay, so anyway, I'll be right back. I'm about to fill up that coffee mug, man. Oh, damn, Europe. So Guala Rich. All right. What's up, everyone? I'm back. All right, let's see here. People in US use IC. What do you mean? I think IC Markets only for people in Europe, bro. You either have to set up a company offshore and open a corporate account or gain some resident status in any offshore country and apply for the normal account. Yeah. I see markets doesn't accept U.S. citizens. They accepted me. They accepted me, buddy. I don't know what you're talking about. I withdraw from them and everything. Chat with their support when the withdrawal takes too long, and you know what I mean? Yo, what's up, Jerry? How you doing, man? Yo, what up, Mitch? How are you? Doing good, bro. How about you? Doing good, guys. Thanks. You're in London? Nah, bro. I'm somewhere in Europe. Can't tell you guys where. You'll figure out. Everyone already knows. Okay, so 4-hour close. 4-hour close what? Oh, this is a sloppy range, dude. 4-hour close what? Support. This is ugly. This is ugly. We have resistance here, support here. Not a range even got smaller. Not a range even got smaller. It's ugly, man. Gold's ugly right now. Honestly, it's so choppy. It's so garbage. Right now on gold, it's better to just wait, man. It's ugly. It's one of those days. Yeah. Potentially one of those no trading days for gold. Potentially. Let's look at a different pair. Let's break down some different pairs here. I honestly do not like GJ anymore. Okay, but damn, look at the daily candle engulfing. Wow. Absolutely freaking absurd. Look at that daily previous yesterday's candle. Wow. Okay, perfect. Now we know that. What should you look for here on GJ? Let's draw the fib. GJ and fibs are fucking insane. Right? Check out the first 9 seconds. What? Right? Price is probably waiting to come down to this area, and then boom, shoot again. Or it's just gonna keep going. Right? Look at this area right here. And then we have a new support formed as well. Which is right. Let's get rid of this support. That's irrelevant. This is the new support. And this is new support as well. Look at that. Big rocket, man. Big rocket there on gold. Or on GJ. My intro I just made. Nothing special. Send it in the Telegram. I'll look at it later, bro. You probably already did. I muted it. See what this goofball is talking about. Ooh. That's hard, bro. Oh, you fish eating motherfucker. You. Oh, you sound like a little girl, bro. I'm about to get on your head, boy. I'm about to get on your head, bro. Let me find out you do your what? Let me find out you do your fucking eyebrows, bro. You got fake lips. Let me find out you. Oh, I'm about to get on your bucket, boy. But I like the intro. Oh. I'm about to get on your head, boy. You done messed up. You should have never sent me that. Oh, let me find out you do that mascara shit on your eyes, boy. Let me find out you put mascara on your eyes, bro. Let me find out you a little on the. Let me find out you got a little sugar in your tank, boy. Nothing wrong with that. But now then I know. Let me find out. It's okay to have a little sugar in it. I have plenty of gay friends, but I get on their bucket too. You know what I mean? Shit, look like my ass. Let me go to this chart here. I'm messing about with this dude too much. I'll watch your video later, bro. I saw it. I'll watch it later. I like the intro though, 100%. Keep grinding, bro. We're on the same mission. What is this, Mitch? Nothing. Nothing. Girls think clean eyebrows are crispy? I don't think so. See, mine's are bushy as fucking. Girls love it. You wanna go that way with it? Oh, dude. Let me find out you got a little sugar in your tank, Andrew. Now, what should we look for here on gold to happen to do? If gold spikes down right back down into this area, right, and shows us rejection, then we potentially could take it up to the next range with volume. But honestly, I think gold is about to give you a very, very aggressive spike down into the zone to then continue higher. That's what I honestly think. Why? Because this is untouched support and this is untouched support. There's stop losses below here. There's stop losses at break even, aka mine. You know what I mean? That's what I would also look for on gold, right? I'm already in the trade. I'm not even really worried about much. I'm just gonna let it play out. You know what I mean? Jay Martin's, this dude's a fucking weirdo. Andrew, you're officially a Timmy. You're forever a Timmy. You're the first forever Timmy, bro. He is the first forever Timmy. Let's see if this 1 hour candle could break the previous 1 hour highs. I don't think so. I think this 1 hour candle now is going to retest this support or resistance to then continue lower into this area. Break this low, create like a nice support area again, and then fly up. New York come. Yeah, this chart even says that we're consolidating. So there's nothing really much going on. Nice Play-Doh right here on the lower time frames, probably. Yeah, look at that. Entry scalp right here. 17 pips. 62 pip TP. Jesus. 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 Insanity. I'm about to take a scalp. I just took a scalp. Don't ask me where. I won't tell you. I just took a scalp. I just took a scalp. Bro, if I'm on the Timmy list, you on the next to be bald list, bro, I could just go to Turkey and get hair implants and have more hair than you. It's not expensive. About $1.50. Yeah, he does sound like 12, huh? Tell him, Mitch. It's so messed up he can't hear you, dude. Ah, it's so messed up he can't hear you. I really got to tighten up and get that fixed, dude. Yo, QJ, how you doing, man? Welcome back. Glad to see you back, brother. How you doing, man? How's life treating you, bro? Yo, Jerry, how you doing, man? I'm doing well, man. Did you take those buys yesterday? Yeah, I did too. I'm still in them. Oh, I closed 90, bro. Don't even worry about it. Yeah. Oh, give me a second. Let me get this link to Bozo. Copy. Paste. There you have it, brother. Oh, wait. Okay. Um. All right. Yep. Let's do it. All right. Perfect. Let me get back to the YouTube real quick. All right. Roger paid, I think, 3 4 G's in Turkey for his, probably. But I know people that went down that way, so I'll be good. I got a way cheaper one and same quality. All right, let's go get in here. Paste that. Waiting for price to come into the OB to enter. Okay. Life's treating me well so far. Could be better, but I can't complain too much. Nah, bro. You gotta look to the people that aren't. You gotta look at the people that aren't doing that well, bro. You gotta look at your life, and then, for example, look at the people that's in the war right now, man. Look at the people that can't feed their family right now, man. Then you gotta really, take a step back and see, and realize how good you really have it. You know what I mean? Keep that in mind, bro. Yeah, right now we're just chilling, man. Literally. Right. So you can't complain. Yeah, you can't complain, bro. You know what I'm saying? You'll be alright, bro. You'll be good. Oh man. Who's looking to buy today? Boy, Boss Lewis hopped in the house saying, who's looking for buys today? Timmy, 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 Timmy. Boss Lewis, you just got put on the Timmy list, bro. You supposed to come in here and ask questions. Nah, I'm just kidding. You know what I mean? I've been in buy since yesterday, so I'm just chilling. Timmy Boss, that's his name. Timmy Boss. Now, he's a boss Timmy. You know what I mean? He's a boss Timmy. My buying point, send a chart, bro. Send a chart, Mr. Timmy. Send a chart, Mr. Timmy. I'll be right back. When I come back, I want to see a chart, bro. All right. Back. Let's have a look. I trade very different from the normal support and resistance type of trading. Okay. If you know smart money, then you know, boy. What is the point that you're trying to prove? That you know smart money concepts? What point are you trying to prove, Timmy? What point are you trying to prove? Trying to prove that you are smart? Just send chart, bro. Ah, he's ignorant. Okay. Like just spreading the word that he's spreading. Okay, Timmy spreading the word that he knows smart money concepts. Mr. Timmy, congratulations, bro. I'm very proud of you, bro. What is this smart money concept? Know what I mean? Now you got to rephrase yourself, cause now I'm thinking you coming in here throwing shade on my support and resistance, buddy. They work very well, man. They really do, bro. They really do, actually. You see how beautiful they react? They say, you see how beautiful I call out the levels and it reacts and gives me currently 129 pips up, chilling. So I'm spreading the word about smart money concepts. What's smart money? If you want to spread the word, what is it? Get to the point. The way you trade is amazing, bro. You just said you don't trade support and resistance, man. I like to just follow the trend. You know what I mean? I like to flow with the markets. You know what I mean? I like to know what the trend is and follow the trend. Oh, this dude just called me the B word. You gotta go. You about to get put in timeout like a little boy. There you go. He's in timeout. The huh? Oh, Timmy Cage. Yeah, I put him in a little corner. I put the Timmy in the corner. he messed up when he called me the B word. Yeah, I'm good. I'm not I'm not tripping. I just, I just I just find it funny that I could put him in the corner. Get to 300 seconds. Yep. Oh, dude. About to run it up. I have these are my runners, bro. I mean, the big bag's already secured at 100 and literally right here. Wait, I already secured a bunch right here at the. I secured 90% at this level right here. So now we're just gonna get our runners to our initial TP, and if we can get a nice pullback and it doesn't stop us out, then we'll use 70% of those profits that we made and go for another entry. You know what I mean? But it looks like we're rejecting here. But it looks like we're rejecting here on the lower time frames. Right? Sounds great. Yes, sir. Thank you, bro. All right, what are you looking at, Hot Dusty 3000? I'm not about to be on the stream much longer. I got a shower and stuff. I'm about to go. It's a beautiful day. I'm about to go kick it with my wifey today. About to go to Amsterdam. Where did all you guys from that trading lounge learn holding a trade and taking trades while you hold it? Cause you guys doing the same thing. Kick it with me. I'm in Europe, bro. I've been trading like that since I started trading. Um, there was a trend started um, by two people in there. I'm not gonna say any names, and everyone caught on. Keep in mind, you got to know the bare back history of the at the very beginning of the trading lounge. Only a couple people know, cause a lot of them was only catching 10 pips. You know what I mean? A lot of them were only catching 10 pips. A lot. So there's only a couple of people that's been trading that the way they trade from, you know, you got to know everything before you full US and the thesis. Yeah, you got. No, taking a trade when you're in a trade. I don't know if I think hedging is more like when you sell and buy. Yeah. What kind of trader do I consider myself? Well, more like an intraday trader. And when I find good positions like this, when I have a nice runner going, I'll just swing trade it to the higher levels. But this is already risk free. You know what I mean? So I really don't mind. Really don't mind it at all, bro. A beast. My little bitty short stopped me out. I like a little bitty short. Stop me out. Right? I need to know the OG story to the Trader Lounge. Have fun looking for it. Enjoy your search to that story. You're not gonna get it from me. For being in Europe, your latency is on 10. What do you mean, bro? Is it something wrong with the stream? Yeah, you need to have been there 100%. You need to have been there. I can't. I mean, they're all good people. They really are genuinely very good people. Just I don't agree with some of them. That's why I disappeared from there. Mess with my cycle. I mean, your latency is quick as fuck. I send something and you read it fast. I mean, that's how it works. You comment, I see the comment pop up. Um, I mean, I have the most expensive internet pack in my, know, but yeah. Mitch, I think you might want to answer that question. Mitch. Oh, you got licked out? Okay. I took like a very small position. I wanted to see if we were gonna fill that wick to continue lower. Are you a funded trader, FTMO, MMF, etc.? Maybe. Maybe, brother, maybe. Yeah, we are good, thanks. This dude, Andrew's a different breed, bro. This FX all day is a different breed, bro. This man, this man is a different breed. This man isn't. This man is crazy, bro. I gotta give it to you. No, bro. Latency is the timing between you reading the comments and me hearing you respond through my phone. Yeah, yeah, bro. I blew my 400 account this month. Why are you trying to teach people how to trade then when you blew an account? You should come learn with me and then teach people. That's a lot to blow up. 400K, bro. That's tough. Yeah. Stefan, thanks for telling everyone my business. That's not your job, but I appreciate it. You know what I mean? What about this? Yeah, I'm funded. But now the world knows. Thanks, Stefan. I appreciate it, bro. Much love. What's up? I just got done selling gold. Y'all buying it up? I've been in buy since yesterday, bro. Yeah. I did take like a little cheeky sell right here. I got stopped out. A little cheeky sell. Right? When you're up 60K trying to go to 200K, I mean, shit. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, honestly, bro, FX all day, bro. That mentality you have is fucking retarded, bro. I mean, first off, I don't know how much a 400K account is. You probably pay like 2 grand for it. Second off, a 400K, if you know how to trade and you and if you know how to trade and you really freaking oh if you know how to trade and you compound that $400K account, bro, and you get funded with that 400K account, like you can make like 3-4 grand a day. So I honestly think what you just said is just an excuse to make you feel good because you don't know how to trade. What broker do I use? IC Markets. Always more than one funded account. I mean, you shouldn't have any funded accounts if you're gonna blow them for fun. Honestly, funded accounts, bro, they're there to really genuinely help people out. Okay, it's a dirty business because they use this Forex statistics and they make a business out of it. But if you really know what the fuck you're doing and you can get funded, get fucking funded and take that shit serious and go long ways with those people. They make money. They're always gonna make money because people are gonna buy those funded accounts, blow those funded accounts, lose that money. So they're really happy to have a consistent trader on their platform making money. You know what I mean? So I feel like it's stupid that you think it's funny to blow a 400K account. I mean, honestly, I just think it's an excuse, bro. I just think it's an excuse. And when you're up 60K on 400K, I don't know what your financial stuff is, but for a lot of people, 60K, that's a yearly salary. You know what I mean? So I don't understand why you didn't just secure $60,000. Like, like who the fuck are you? You know what I mean? And then the dude didn't just blow it. Like, ah, shit, bro. You would have flipped that 400K to $1 million in a week, no cap, depending on the daily drawdown, bro. 100%. It was never my money to begin with. Yeah, that just made it even worse because you fucked up someone else's money that put trust in you. Unless you stole that money from someone. It does sound like cap, but it is what it is. Sounds like cap, but yeah, he does his eyebrows. You can't trust him. I'm on your head. I'm on your head, Andrew. Yeah, you got to get that bass in this voice first, huh, Mitch? Something. Let the balls drop or something. Nah, bro. FX all day. You just got busted, boy. They on your head in the Zoom, boy. They on your tail, boy. They're on your tail. But then, you know, it's like, first off, it's gambling with someone's money, losing that person's money, seeing a 60K, but you want a 200K, like you're a Pablo Escobar or something. And then also, bro, I don't respect the fact that you're blowing accounts and making YouTube videos trying to teach people how to trade. I mean, it's kind of what's that word that I'm looking for? Uh, Not pathetic, but it's kind of wishy-washy. You know what I mean? Pause. I don't teach you how to trade. I didn't finish watching your video. I'll watch it later, 100%. I'll watch your video. I'll leave a like. I have highlight clips of me trading. Okay, my bad, bro. That's my bad. I take it back. That's my bad. I didn't watch your video. I just thought you were trying to teach people because I watched like the first 2 minutes. But my bad, bro. That's my bad. 100%. Thought you were trying to teach. He made his own highlight reel. Yeah, bro. Hot Dusty 3000, 100%. Funded accounts are, it's a business, right? The people that own the funded accounts, they know what they're doing. They're very smart people. They took people's failures and made it their successes, right? But trust me when I say this, when they see someone that's profitable and they see someone that's been profitable with them for a while, they're gonna, they're gonna, they're gonna help you make more money with them. Trust. I'm about to join that channel, bro. That Forex funded channel or Forex fundamental news channel. I like that channel. But you are gonna have to teach me how to make that intro like that, bro. You gotta or make me an intro. How about that, bro? How about you make me an intro, bro? How about you make me an intro? Because I genuinely like your intro. I really like it. They're exploiting people's they're exploiting people's emotions. Dirty business. Yeah, I mean shit, money's money. Business is dirty. If you didn't know yet, if you've done any business with people, business is dirty. Business is very dirty. Business is for sharks. If you're not a shark, stay out that pond. What do you think about FX Clippers? Flippers? I don't know who that is, bro. He's probably a good trader. Otherwise, he wouldn't be on this YouTube or do whatever he's doing. So I respect him. All salutes go out to him. I'm currently working with top tier trader, FTMO, and funding companies. Yeah, bro. I mean, Hot Dusty 3000. Look, bro. If you can make 10% a month, bro, most definitely, bro. Go with the flow, man. If you have a 100K account and you could make 10% a month for a whole year straight consistently, okay, you might have a losing month. You know that's normal. But if you can make 10K consistently or a 10% consistently on a 10K account or a 100K account, damn, I can't talk today, right? Forex compound calculator, right? and this is without withdrawing. So you got to keep in mind, right? Let's say you have $100,000 funded account, but this is for the people that know how to trade, right? You do 10% a month, right? And you do it for a whole year, dude. Watch that 100K, bro. Look at that. You made 200K, bro. You made $200,000 in a year. You make more than a doctor at this point because you're and and looking back, bro, 10% is not a lot. You know what I mean? 10% a month is not a lot. On yesterday's trade, on this trade right now for that 130 pips, I made 2.6%. You know what I mean? So on the trades before that, I had a very good week this week. I'm probably up this week like 7%. So 7 or 8%. I have to go to stats on the Magic Keys. NFP tomorrow, we finna go hard? Nah, bro, I'm not gonna gamble. All you need is 1% a week. 200K accounts with equal companies, bi-weekly payouts. Okay. Oh, really? So if you have a 200K account, you can get weekly payouts. Okay, perfect. Yeah, bro. So yeah, you know, bro, just focus on the long run. I mean, if you know how to trade, dude, go ahead and get that money, bro. But if you don't know what you're doing and you're blowing 400K accounts, stay away from that stuff. They're just gonna keep taking your money and not care at all. You're just gonna be like, here's my money. There you go. Whee! Throwing it. No, bro. Yo, but Andrew, bro, what about making me a an intro? No, Andrew, not I, bro. Did it sound like I said I, bro? Oh, okay, bro. Are you trade news like NFP? I'm not with my real accounts. If I trade NFP, I make a cowboy account and I deposit some money on there and I gamble with that money. Honestly, but I don't touch NFP with my real accounts, like the accounts that I live off of. Is there a link to Andrew's video in the Telegram? He linked it in there. He got some publicity for me clowning him. Yeah, there he is. Mr. Andrew. His intro is hard though. Look at him. I like it. You gotta give it to the man. The intro's dope. Damn, I blow one account now and the example for the rest of the year. Wait, what? Damn, I blow one account now. I'm the example for the rest of the year. Yep. Unless you make me an intro for free. Then I won't clown you anymore. What do you mean you don't know how to edit that good? Who made that video for you then, bro? Trading NFP is gambling. I mean, it's risky, but there's ways to make money on NFP. Yes, I just haven't done it in a while actually. So I've only lost one NFP, honestly. No, two. Sorry, but I don't trade them a lot. Do do share some donations? Nah, bro, I'm not sharing donations. You can donate to my PayPal though. If you want? I'll put it in the stream. Make my stream better. I need a new mic. Even though these Astro A40s, they're good, but I want like a setup mic that you put on the desk. You know what I mean? So gold is currently rejecting at the same level, right? Let it come down. Let it come down. Let it find support. Let it do what it wants to do, and then buy it back up. Simple. Yeah. I mean, I do. I mean, the 1 hour. Okay, so the 4 hour candle. I don't think it has the gas yet to pull up all the way. I don't honestly don't think so. But um, I do want to see a bottom wick on the 4 hour as well, and I do want to see a test of this support or this support on the 4 hour. Yeah, so it could do a lot. You know what it is? If the 17 minute, the 1 hour closes like this in 17 minutes, then it's going to be very tricky. You know what I mean? Yeah, yeah, that's what I was. That's why I had the little cheeky sell as well. I'm like, let me see if I could bag a little quick 60. Couldn't do it though. I'm referring to this guy, bank robber. Wait, I'm referring to this guy blowing 400K pretty much. He can do some donations. Oh, okay. Yeah. Are you a full-time trader or do you have a day job? I am a full-time trader. Wait, pause. For everyone clowning me who here has touched 400K account, cause they on my cheeks. What machine? Oh, mm. Oh, that's for the snow and stuff. Yeah, those things are expensive, man. For who here has touched a $400,000 account? Cause they on my cheeks. Oh, Andrew wants answers. Who here has touched a $400,000 account? I mean, it doesn't really matter who's touched a $400 account, right? It doesn't matter, bro. Andrew, you touched the account, but where's it now? You can't touch it anymore, can you? Touch the phone. Jerry's thinking like Jerry's like this motherfucker. Where's the 400? Touch it. Try. I'll give you $10 if you touch it now. I'm on your head, Andrew. But you know how I met Andrew? Andrew came in here clowning me off rip. Off rip. He doesn't know who I am though. I used to make people feel bad. I kind of slowed down, kind of slowed my roll. I haven't touched that amount. Probably you fund me. Appreciate much. Yeah, Andrew. I feel like you need a little bit of bass in your voice, man. You sound like this. Oh, the zooms on your head, boy. You sound like this, Andrew. You need to drop you the balls. Yo, my YouTuber, what's going on, bro? How you doing, brother? Sorry you walked in on me. Sorry you walked in on me clowning someone, but try to clown me first. You try to get on my hairline. I mean, at least it's still there. You know what I mean? Oh, is the Timmy list? The Timmy list is empty, brother. It's empty today. Why were you angry with Raja? I wasn't angry with them. Why are you still bringing up old stuff, bro? It's over. There's nothing happening. Roger was in my stream 2 days ago chilling. So KKKKK. You wanna be? I don't know. You wanna be admin? You want to be ad, Mitch? Nah. He said, yeah. He said, you tripping. It's the mic. No, it's not. It's your voice. Now he's looking on Google how to make your voice deeper. Yeah. He's like, how to make my voice deeper on Zoom. Nah, bro, Andrew, I think I'm about to put you in the corner. I think you deserve a timeout, brother. Been yapping about the side of your neck for all day. Damn near. You should be called Yap all day, not FX all day. At your dome though, I might slip off. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, put emojis. Bank robber got no love from Wigs Don't Lie. Okay, actually did, but I hate, I hate, I hate, I hate, I hate, I hate the, I hate the, yeah. Mhm. We're just gonna focus on gold here and my profits. You know what I mean? Yeah, that I mean, yes sir. Yeah, gold's very slow anyway. So okay, I'm about to put everyone in timeout. That's talking about stuff that's old. You know what I mean? You know what? Yeah, this trade's open. I have a runner on this trade, bro. Yeah. Are you still are you still working? Are you a millionaire status yet, or still working towards it? Still working towards it, bro. It's coming. Um, Ali, yeah, I left the runner, bro. I'm currently up on this runner. Yes, called it out yesterday as well in Telegram. It's just lollygagging around this area. I did secure 90% here at this right here. So I did secure 90% right here for like 128 pips, 130 pips. Yep. Now I'm just leaving it run. I mean, um, I want price to come back to this area, so potentially buy again. But if we don't see that, then I could potentially wait for the next push up and then have a pullback. I have a 0.05 lot runner. Nice, bro. Now imagine it coming up to, imagine you letting it run for 450 pips. Divide that by 2. You're at what, 227 around there? 228? Just by doing nothing, just chilling. Keep forgetting I got to type and talk because y'all can't hear me. Yeah, my bad, bro. Trying to be on your level of trading. I've been learning to trade since April and I still have a lot to learn. Yes, sir. FX all day got clapped, no mercy. I mean, bank robber, how long have you been full-time trader? Is life better now after going full-time? I haven't been full. I've been full-time for about 4 months now, bro. Honestly, I just quit my job, my previous job. I was in the military. I've been um surviving for 4 months. So, I mean, um, one thing that I have to get used to is the time and spending it a little bit more wisely because I see myself being lazy after the charts. So I have to be a little bit more active on my free time. So um, yeah, bro. QJ, I got hours of chart time, bro. 100%. Yeah, yeah, Nav man, I was, bro. That's why I'm such a beast, bro. Don't you see these shoulders, bro? Don't you see these cannons, bro? Run like 20 miles, 20, 30 miles without stopping. You know what I mean? So yeah, I've been a full-time trader for about 4 months, and also have enough money saved up to have a cushion if it doesn't work. But for right now, I'm blessed. It's been working for me. I can, um, I've been able to pay my bills, put some money aside, live comfortably. Now it's all about maintaining that and growing my account. You know what I mean? Growing it to be much bigger. You know what I mean? It's a very, being a full-time trader as of like just now starting it, like freshly full-time, you have to be very careful with what you do, and you have to be very picky with what you trade. Because now, if you don't, my personal goal is 10% a month. So if I make 10% this month, then I can pay my bills, right? Then I could put food on the table for my girlfriend and I. And then I can go take her out to restaurants and do whatever. But I can't save any money, or I can't um, reinvest. So I always look for 15, 20%. How much did you start off in your account when you went full time? $3. $3.26. Alistair Spillman. Alistair Spillman, fuck up, bro. Je bent die Nederlander, toch? But let's keep it on. Let's keep it English. But I throw that out there for you. It's possible, bro. Especially from where we're from, it's possible. It really is. If you want, tap in with me privately. I got some ways to creep around that Belastingsdienst. Also, you want to hit me up on Telegram? I got you, Spielman. 100%, bro. I probably live like an hour away from you. About to go to Amsterdam today, so not that far from there. Oh shit. Never mind. I thought there's this one dude that comes in here, speaks Dutch to me. My bad, Spielman. My bad. Oh, there's someone in here. You told me. There's someone in here. He's from Amsterdam, bro. That's why. I try to keep, I try to keep track with everyone. You know what I mean? Say what? Military? Yeah, bro. I used to be in the military. Still serving, bro. Air Force. Forcing to get out of the system and do my own thing with Forex. Were you in the American Army, or where were you? I'm a scout. I was a scout. Yeah, it's like you in jail, huh? I was a scout here in the Belgian army, so I go all alone like a team of three. Big backpack team of three. That's it. Collect intel. Come back. Pretty dope. Learned a lot. I learned a ton. A ton of new life skills. A ton of just everything, dude. Like a lot. Learned a lot of discipline. Learned a lot how to manage, go about with people. I learned some new fighting techniques. I already knew how to fight. Now I just, added some more swivel to the missile. You know what I mean? But 100%, bro. Army taught me a lot. Nah, you gotta be careful here, bro. I'll wait for it to spike above that daily resistance up there. 1944-ish area. Get all that money up there and then spike down. If it even wants to do that, you know what I mean? Mm. Big facts. I'm trying to become one of the best in the game. Yeah, bro. I'm rooting for you, bro. 100%. If you need any help, bro, My Telegram, you probably in the Telegram group chat, bro. Just send me a DM privately with what do you need help with, and I got you, bro. I'll try to explain it to the best of my ability and try to make you understand it. And if you don't understand it, then sorry, but I tried, And I could probably ask someone else to do it as well, someone that's skilled enough. And yeah, so if you need help, bro, DM's always open, 100%. 1 hour closed above resistance. Nothing much going on. New here, bro. Looking pointers, man. What's the Telegram? Um, give me a second. I'll link you to Telegram. That's Telegram link. Andre Percival, welcome though. I really do appreciate you tuning in here to the stream, bro. I really do appreciate it. Let me refresh the thing. So, and also for the people, that subscribed, I can't see who did, but if you're still here and you subscribed, I appreciate you a lot. I'll be here every day, every day. So if you want to jump in, kick back, relax, get clowned on, or ask questions, man, I'm here. We're chilling. Right now, it's kind of boring because there's nothing really happening, and we're already in a trade. Or I'm already in a trade, and a couple other people in the Telegram. But for the rest, man, we're just chilling, man. We're really just chilling. Andrew, you're out of timeout. Don't make me put you back in the timeout, bro. Just chill out, relax, bro. Ask questions. I'm done. I'm done messing with all the, you're too type happy, type like a whole thing and like, so you got a timeout now. You only trade London session. Yeah, I look at the charts a lot at London session, but I found myself in the last 2 days and it's been working. Cause the way I trade, bro, Hot Dusty is I trade with patience. You know what I mean? So, with that being said, price doesn't come to my zone, I probably won't enter, right? Unless I'm lollygagging. Just took a lollygag trade and I put like a very small percent position and I lost it. But I'll wait for price to get to my zone, and if price doesn't get to my zone in London session, then I'll put an alarm. Say if I'm waiting for price to get here to the daily resistance, I'll put an alarm like right here. And then once that gets triggered, then I watch the charts at that time and see what it does in that area. If price does confirm what I thought it was going to do, then I execute. So sometimes you have to be patient enough to let price come to that zone. And this is something I also just recently learned is trading one session is good, but with gold London session, you're not going to get a lot of moves, right? You did get this move, but I wasn't comfortable with taking this move. Well, actually, no. 8 a.m. the candle was gone. 9 a.m. there was no move here. You know what I mean? This baby move. So I had to break the rule of trading outside of my trading hours if I didn't take a trade already. I was in timeout for way too long. Yeah, 300 seconds, bro. 300 seconds. Don't get put in another timeout, buddy, because I'll do it. Right? Sometimes, yeah, it takes a long time for price to get into your zone. And then when the volume times happen, they happen. wouldn't do anything here, bro. Honestly, I'll wait. I'll wait a little longer. Jur 84. Do I scalp? No, bro, not really. Try to look for like the bigger moves, and um, sometimes I scalp honestly, cause there's times where you have to scalp, like when prices in the small range market. And sometimes you have to get on the lower time frames, get in and get out, you know. But a scalp on gold is about 30, 40 pips. You know what I mean? I only use buy and sell stops. I trade late London session and the entire New York session. Okay. So, yeah, I mean, um, me personally, dude, um, I don't use buy and sell stops because I feel like I can't control my trade, or I can't, once it triggers you, and it can just or keep going or stop there. You know what I mean? So I don't really use it. I like to enter on confirmations, if that makes sense. Bit late here. You are in a trade or not? Which area we possibly looking for a buy? You're a Timmy. You just got put on the Timmy list. Need to check. You know what I mean? Like, I'm already in a buy. So I caught the beginning of the new move. So I'm just chilling in profits right now, brother. Currently up like what? 160 pips with the 10% runner. I am looking to re-enter, but where? I don't know. You know what I mean? I'm looking to most definitely take some more profits off here. Probably like a 0.5% of that 10%. I really leave the rest around to my full TP, because this area is a zone that I'm targeting most sure. Oops, 100%. You know what I mean? Now the 1 hour candle just opened and it's already flying up. Be prepared for a wick down to continue higher. All right, New York volume, pre-New York volumes in an hour. The New York volume is gonna come. There's gonna be a lot of wicks thrown around, and then the initial move is gonna happen. I don't think the initial move is. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think the initial move is bearish, right? I think we're gonna fly up from here. Gotta be very careful. You should have been looking for buys. You know what I mean? The trend is your friend. Unless you counter trend, then she's not your friend. 31 was a good entry for buys, but I missed it. 31. Why not 24? Why not 24? Buddy. Andre, why not 24? Why not? I don't know how you trade, but if you go to the smaller time frames, right? Now let's be real. Only an entry on the 1 minute. But if you see here on the 5 minute, missed them as well. Oh, okay. Yeah, you just missed it. Yeah. Then that's fine, man. That's fine. If you miss a trade, it's fine. Yesterday, the reason for being in this trade was for people to calm down here. So, right, this was our initial buy zone, this whole yellow box, right? And then we had this spike down in this zone. That was confirmation number 1. ran away. Everyone got antsy and wanted to buy this little move up, right? No, we waited, stuck to it, entered at the break. Now we're flying. Patience, patience. You don't have to trade every day. If I don't find a trade today, I won't trade today. If I don't find a trade tomorrow, can you please explain how to draw these zones? Sure, bro, 100%. Let's go to Oanda. Let's break it down on Oanda, because I already have my zones marked off on here, right? Let's remove drawings, right, on Oanda, and I'm gonna tell you how I mark my zones from high to low. It's very simple. It's not rocket science, right? So how I draw my zones, bro, is literally take your horizontal, right? Honestly, you go from the monthly, right? And you're only looking for the most recent support and resistance. What's your most recent support on the monthly time frame? It's right here, isn't it? Boom. Get in that settings, template, monthly support. My template is already set up. You probably have to do that. You know? Here, what do we have right here? We already rejected it, right? Monthly what? Make sure it's nice and tight on the bodies. What is it right here? Boom, settings, template, monthly resistance. Boom, just like that. You see? Price tapped into that monthly resistance. Dropped freaking 600, a lot of pips, right? Then I drop down to the weekly time frame, and I mark off. Honestly, on the weekly time frame, there's nothing really much to mark off. Because I don't want my charts to clutter, but you could take this in the concept, and then you could have taken, when price was right here, I had this one marked off for sure, and then you could have had these marked off, but I don't like it because it clutters my charts. I'm just gonna keep this one on just for, the sake of the things. Weekly resistance, and then once this weekly candle closes, right, then you form a new support, and you would tap in here, boom, just like that. Settings, weekly support, right? Boom, just like that. When this one closes, right? It's not closed yet, but honestly, I think we're gonna close bullish anyway, so you might as well leave it there. But there's a day left; it could flip. Who knows, right? Now you go to the daily. You see how sometimes it correlates with the daily structure, right? Weekly resistance as well. So now you just do this, right? Boom, tap it in there like that, and that's why I kind of wanted to get rid of the weekly resistance as well. Tap it in there, settings, template, daily resistance, just like that, bro. And then we also have a potential daily support forming right here at all the pins. And then we have another daily resistance right in this area, just like that. Now these are the higher time frame zones. Weekly, daily resistance. Right? These are like the higher time frame support and resistance zones, right? So one thing that you do want to keep in mind is, yeah, they're basic support and resistance, but you don't want to buy and sell directly at them, right? There's a big key. There's a big key to support and resistance. You don't want to sell right here because it's resistance. No, you want to wait for the stop hunt, and then you want to wait for the price action, and then you sell. You got to be patient at these levels. It'll tell you if it's ready or not. Trust, right? We go down to the 4-hour time frames, right? And I have mine's, color coded. So my red rectangle tool is 4-hour support, just like that. That's my red. That's 4-hour support. Then we have a most recent support right here, which I'm using this one right here. This one right here. And then you also have this, right? I'm not gonna mark this off. Why? Because let's break through this one first. Just keep this in the back of your mind, because this is actually resistance, or sorry, this is actually price broke above resistance. This was the retest area to continue higher, right? So now we should most definitely tap into this area, right? And then on the 1 hour, then I go to the 1 hour time frame, and I look, I color code my 1 hour time frames yellow or orange. So I would do this, right? Settings, Make it yellow, just like that. And then say I would want to mark something off, for example, here on the lower time frames, which I hardly do, it's blue. So that's how I kind of color code my zones, if that makes sense. Right? That's how I draw my zones, Mr. Need to Check. It's very simple. You're always going to get a reaction off these zones that I draw, that you draw. Always. You're always bound to wait. If you wait for price to get to your zone, and you buy a 15-minute engulfing candle, you're going to make money. Just like here yesterday. Got the bigger picture. Just on the 4-hour time frame. What happened here? Right? We had a resistance area right in this area, right? Let's annotate that. Right, we had a resistance all in here, right? All in there, resistance area, right? Price broke above. What's the next thing that price needs to do when you break above? All right, what needs to happen? It needs to retest, right? Price needs to retest. Whoops. All right, boom. Where do we retest? Well, normally you retest your previous lower high, right? Well, you want to add some confirmation, some confluences, right? Boom. Draw my fib. Right? So, how many confirmations did I have on this trade? Well, you had 1, the breaker structure. 2, at the retest structure. Right? 3, you had the 61.76 point fib in that area, right in the middle. Perfect. 4 confirmations, right? Then we tap down into the lower time frames, right? And this is why patience sometimes is so important to catch easy moves, dude. Then yesterday, I don't know if you were on the Zoom, I don't know if you were here yesterday, but price spiked down in here. Everyone in the chat went wild. Everyone went wild. Everyone. Big emotions, much of energy. The chat went crazy. A lot of people blew their accounts. Rewind it. I did say like, wow, this and this and this, right? Rewind it. First spike, right? This was our buy zone, right? This was our buy zone, right? So now we know the higher time frame. Now we know the higher time frame fib, right? Now we're gonna check the lower time frame fib, right? This is the lower time frame fib, right? Boom, right in this area. What do we have in this area? Support. Support turned what? Support turned previous what? What is this? What is that? What is this? Resistance, right? Boom. So we already had. This is our 5th confirmation of buying in this area, right? Price spiked in this area, and I said it yesterday to everyone in the thing. If price comes back into this area, you're gonna wait for price action to show you that it's ready to buy. When you do, step on it, eat it up. The last confirmation was price action. 4-hour support and resistance zones, 15-minute engulfings. Dangerous. Money. Every time. Money. 7 confirmations on 1 trade. It took a while to get to that fucking zone, I'll tell you that much. Right? We watched it spike down. We didn't catch this buy. I waited for like 7 hours, dude. Boom. Right? Price did what? Price did what right here? Right? 4-hour zone, right? First buy signal. Right? Price did what? What did this candle do? This candle engulfed. Right? I entered at the break of the candle. But I would suggest for you to wait for the candle close. Candle closes, boom. Confirmation. Dude, I entered this trade. I set an alarm right here. Or a partial TP right here. And I was playing the game yesterday. This trade was so simple. So many confirmations. And now look at it. I hope this can keep going. I have a very small runner. It's okay. But now I know for the next time that I could potentially leave my runner way longer, right? So you have about 7 confirmations here. 30-minute even engulfed. 1 hour then created a doji, which gave me more confidence in this trade. All right, 15-minute. If you enter on the 15-minute, you do want to put your stops 7 pips or 10 pips below structure. So you were looking at like 50 pip stop. You always want to target a 2 to 1. Always. Always 2 to 1. Like that. Always. Easy. This trade was easy, bro. Simple. 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 Right? Now we've entered a lot. We took off the big money. Now we leave the runners. If the runner stops us at break even, I don't care. Honestly don't. Right? When you see stuff like this, and when you get used to seeing stuff like this, it becomes easy. When you have the patience, it becomes easy, right? 4 hour close like this, why do you think you're gonna buy here at this candle? You never buy a weird looking candle like this. It has a big wick. What do you think this candle is gonna do? Yeah, okay, the 4 hour candle's bearish, right? But that's why you have the lower time frames. Lower time frames tell you before the big time frames follow, right? That's why it's important sometimes to look at the 15-minute, look at the 5-minute. I don't suggest everyone look at the 5-minute. At least wait for that 15-minute candle close, right? 15-minute candle closes, need to check. I just gave you a free key to being successful. No charge in Forex. If you rewatch that video and you do that exactly what I do every single time, every single day, you will be very successful, bro. Right? You will see your win rate increase. Right? Simple. Very, 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 very simple. You know what I mean? Hot Dusty 3000. You remind me of Pip Valorian Porsche. Who's that? Talk like him, and you two do the charts the same also. Even the same candle colors. Yeah. Might be my twin. Who knows? You know what I mean? But for need to check, that was it, man. I just gave you the key. If you don't believe me, go back. I constantly preach this shit. Have 4 hour support. Look at this whole 4 hour support. Alright, we're gonna make that blue. Go to the 15-minute on this blue line. Watch how many engulfing 15-minute candles you get that flew to the moon. I actually caught this one. This one right here. I caught this live on stream. But it didn't engulf. I entered at the break of the candle. Okay, let's see here. Okay, you actually didn't get a lot. Well, you got one, but right, you didn't get a lot. Whatever. But you gotta look beyond the 15 minutes sometimes too. You have a playbook? What do you mean, bro? Like what do you mean playbook? Like a journal? I have a journal. I do. I don't journal all my trades, though I should start journaling again. Yeah. I'm gonna come back and screen record that, make sure I understand and put it in practice. Yeah. You make it look easy. It is easy. You know what's hard? You know what's hard, Chris? This. That's the hard part. This is the technicals are easy. It's up here that's hard. It's fighting against yourself. That's the hardest part. Trust me. I beat myself. Right. It's fighting, and you're in the army, bro. You should already have that mentality. When you're in the army, when your drill sergeant's next to you screaming, you didn't quit boot camp, right? Because you beat your little voice that says quit, right? It's all in your fucking big ass head, Chris. Look at my big ass head. I beat it. That's it, bro. That's it. Amir, what's going on, brother? How you doing? Like your checklist before taking any trades? I mean, not really. I mean, let's say, shit, a checklist. Um, I don't think so. I don't think I have one. Um, well, I always need to buy at support, right, or sell at resistance, and then price action with a little bit more confirmations, right? That's about it, brother. I don't really have a checklist. Like what I do look at is like, say price comes to a zone, like is it rejecting multiple times, or is the price action, are bullish candles popping up? How are the bullish candles? Is there volume in the bullish candles, right? Those are just things that's going through my mind, right? So like price came down here, created this nice beautiful candle. You could have gotten in on the sweep, break it high. Now keep in mind, coffee check, mouse check, coffee check, mouse check. Mouse good, coffee empty. What are your thoughts on US 30? Do you currently trade it or trade it in the past? I trade it in gold only. I never traded US 30, bro. Never placed a single trade on the US 30. Never. I've watched it. Took a lot of paper trades on it. It didn't fit my trading style, and I lost on paper trades. So I know if I lose on paper trades, then I won't get it on real trades, if that makes sense. Yeah, exactly. So that's my thoughts on US 30, brother. Might make a course. Sell that course for like $50. You know, really teach my way of trading. It's very simple. I've only probably like 5 videos. Man, it's going to be back to 1922. My man, it's going to be back to 1922. What do you mean, bro? 1922, those are my numbers, bro. Lucky numbers. It's the 19th letter and the 22nd letter of the alphabet. It's tatted on my arm. You're welcome, Bite Night. I really don't have a checklist. No. But you couldn't make one if you. It all depends on your trading plan, right? It all depends on your trading plan. He was born that year. Yes, sir. Old. Still alive. Vampire style. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. So, yeah. What is it about gold you like when it comes to trading? Because I love the metal, right? I own physical gold. You know, I like gold rings, 24 karat rings. I have a bunch of chains. I love gold. I just love gold. Um, I love the fact that, and I was talking about with Jerry about this yesterday. Like, I think his job is awesome. Jerry's a gold miner. I think that shit is so dope. I think that is so dope. I mean, I was looking at fucking flights to come out there so I could mine with them. I wouldn't even ask for money. I'll just ask him to give me one nugget of gold and be like, "Look, dude, I went to fucking uh, wait, I have it. Google your country. It was something with a P. Papao. I went to Papao and I mined this piece of gold with Jerry. I would put that shit in a glass bucket or in a glass cube, and that motherfucker would make money and then just sitting there. I just love gold, bro. Oh, Papua, yeah. You know what I mean? That's it. I just love the metal. I love everything about it. I love how you gotta find it. I love how you gotta go into the earth and the soil and the rocks and deep down to go find it. I was actually one time so interested in gold that I went to here in Belgium. We have the Ardennes, they call it. It's like our mountains, but they're small, right? And gold, it sits on the bottom of the rivers where there's rocks and stuff. So I went there, like made my little sucker tube to get all that stuff out with my panning, and I found one piece of gold farming it, like 3 hours time. But the gold was so small, it was like pointless to even bring it home. So I just threw it away, threw it back in the river. But it was dope. It was dope. Like gold's dope. And then knowing that I could trade it, it just everything connected. What's your strategy? Buy support, sell resistance. I'll buy your course if you make one, no cap. I don't think I'll make a course. Too much work, bro. And people hack it, stuff like that. Alright. Probably won't even sell it for expensive, honestly. Probably sell it for like 50 bucks. Don't care about the money. Care more about people that want to learn. Collect silver, so I get it. Oh yeah, I got silver as well. I got a kilo of silver. I don't have a kilo of gold yet, but I have a kilo of silver. Kilo of silver is cheap. Well, like I bought it for like 500 back in the day, 3 years ago or something like that. I forget. That's why I also have silver. I just have it open, mark it off. Look at that, 4-hour support. Let's see here, our price came into the 4-hour resistance. Right now, in that area, right, you look for just price action, right? You have your resistance, you wait for prices to speak above it, right? You have your engulfing here, right? You could have entered at the break. Now you are counter trend trading, keep that in mind, right? You have 15 pips stop, you're looking for a 2 to 1. It's gonna come. 30 pips. You're looking at TP here. It's gonna come. Your TP would have been hit. You know what I mean? Go back, settings, 4-hour support. What is this right here? What is this candle right here? Ooh. Right, you could have got in on the break, or you could have got in on the close. 7 pips below structure. Looking at like 39 pips. You're looking most definitely at a 2 to 1 ratio. Boom. Dude, fucking. It's all in your head. Right? That's it. Support, resistance, price action, multiple rejections, enter, flow with the market. Flow with the market. You know what I mean? Flow with the market. Simplicity. Selfish, what's going on, bro? Gonna make some money today? On Tarkov, yes. Yes, we will. But after, I'm doing stuff with the wifey today, so I won't be online till later. 7. Go to long ride today, man. Ugh. I don't want to do that stuff. 2 hours going, 2 hours back. Back. Right. Oh, and I'm still in this long what I said yesterday, so I'm still in my longs. Just chilling in my longs right now. If it wants to keep going, it'll keep going, but it's slowing down. There's like no momentum right now. There's no volume. It's very, very, very slow. I'm about to add an alert here. So that's what I think I'm about to do. I think I'm about to end the stream here. Gold's not doing anything. I don't honestly see any re-entries right now unless we kind of like break down, right? Then we draw our fib. Where could we potentially go to? Potentially, right? And then I look. and you buy it right back up. You know what I mean? So for all the people that tuned in today, man, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for, commenting, liking, whatever you guys did. I'll be back tomorrow for more. So with that being said, you guys are great. You guys are dope. If you need help, hit me up on Telegram. I will catch you guys later. Peace.